Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and for today's card I thought we'd do a really cute little punny card. It says, I love you to pizzas, and it has the cute little pizza on it, and then you can write your sentiment inside. I just thought that was fun and cute, and it's a stamp set from Simon Says Stamps, and it's called Foodie Friends. And there's the pizza slices and the I love you to pieces, along with lots of other cute puns that you can use. And for this card, I'm doing an A2 size card, so I have the base, I have a background, and then I also have what I'm going to be stamping on. And to kind of get started, I took this taupe colored ink, or light brown ink, and I just took my makeup brush, and I had forgotten that I like to use these so much because they do leave just a nice soft background without it being too crazy. And you can just put as much as you want or as little as you want. And in this case I think I'm going to do that, and then I think I'm also going to go around the edges just a little bit because I didn't do that on the other one, but I think it would have been cute if I had. So I have really been enjoying sending snail mail to people. I hope that this inspires you to reach out to people that you care about, that may, you know, like hearing from you or whatever. And I think it's just an easy, fun way to let people know that you're thinking of them. So I have really been enjoying making my cards. And you can get two cards from one 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. You just cut it in half and then fold it in half, and that makes an A2 sized card, which means that the final product is 5.5 by 4.25. So then I cut this at 5 5.25 by 4, so that it just gave a nice little border around. And then I'm not going to put this down quite yet, but this is going to go here with my images on it. So let me stamp my images first, because I don't want to put this down, because if I mess up, I can still use the other side. So let's go ahead and get started. I am using just black ink. And normally I wouldn't stamp right on top of, you know, a colored space, but because I'm coloring these and that's so light, it worked out. So let's see, I'm going to put this down where I think I want it. That way I know that I'm picking it up straight. And I'm just going to ink it up and put it down just like that. And then I will use my pizza. I'm kind of putting it off to the side just a little bit, because I'm also going to use my piece of pizza. And these do have faces on them, so you have to be careful about where you are placing them. Oops, and I didn't get it all, but that's okay, I can fix that. And I just need to clean those off. So I will take my black pigment pen and just kind of finish this off. Oh goodness, it's almost out of ink. I think I have another one, but it did the trick. It finished off the pizza for me. And now I'm going to color, and I'm going to start with the crust, I think. And I'm just doing that in a kind of a darker taupe color. And then there's pizza sauce, and I'm going to use the red for that. And then to get the cheese, I used a combination of colors, so I'm just using a really light peach. And because I'm going to go over the pepperonis with a kind of a marker, kind of a pen, a glitter marker, I'm not going to worry too much that they get colored right now, because the glitter marker will certainly cover up any of my pepperonis that are orange. And then I'm going to take a little darker one. Oops, not that one. I'm just going around the edge, but I'm going to go a lot more. I'm just getting it outlined. I think that looks more like cheese, so I'm going to do that, and I'll do the same thing to this one. And then what I'll do is take my, I think this is the darkest one, and go around And I know cheese is kind of yellow on a pizza because it's kind of like it is mozzarella, so it's light. But I don't know, the orange seems to look better in my opinion. So try it out, try different ways. I mean, worst thing is it's just paper, so it's not a big deal if you mess up. Especially when you're learning. I thought that this looked fine, but if for whatever reason I didn't think it looked good, then I don't have any problem trying different things, or I just keep applying or until I know that, okay, this piece isn't what I wanted it to be, and then move on to a whole new piece of paper and start over again. It's not a big deal. I mean, you guys have probably seen me a million times have to use the other side of the paper because I've screwed something up. Which is perfectly fine. I don't have any problem with that. And then I went ahead and colored, like I said, the pepperoni with the glitter pen and made them all nice and sparkly. And then I thought I would add a few hearts. Like that. And then I would like to go over their eyes with this pen, but I'm afraid it's just not working very well. Oh, this side works, of course. It might be a little too wide to get these little eyes. There, I think I did it. And then I'm just going to put this right on top. And that's that. I think it turned out really cute. Hope you guys like it, and hope it inspired you to reach out to someone that you care about. Have a great day. Bye-bye.